Hi guys, Dave Natal here with Accurex, and we're here in Chicago at IMTS demonstrating some of our latest technologies, the first of which is the Vectro system. The Vectro is an automatic break sharp edge and gap and flush measurement system, giving you high accuracy while measuring up to 15 features a minute. Your inspection plans can be pre-programmed for higher repeatability. We're also demonstrating the handheld version of the gap gun. Like the Vectro, the gap gun can also measure radii, chamfer, and gap and flush. With a quick head change, we can switch to our countersink attachment, which allows us to measure countersinks on both painted and reflective surfaces. Secondly, we're demonstrating the Lynx, which is our automated quality assurance vision system. And finally, we're demonstrating the Tube Inspect, which is our high-speed, high-accuracy tube and wire inspection device with feedback to a tube or wire bender. For more information, visit us at accurexmeasure.com. We'll see you next time at IMTS.